The axe, the wrecker, and the torch. This video is all about Sawzall blades. I'm Dwayne Smith, your Sprinkler Warehouse product specialist. Let's go wreck some stuff. Hey Juan, got some wood I can cut up? Okay.
Those over there?
Yeah?
Well, we got the ones over there by the wall.
Okay, cool. Let's cut them up. So there are different kinds of axe blades. As you can see, this one is for pruning. It's for clean wood with no nails in it. Check out those aggressive teeth. Those are carbide teeth. So for example, this is the other one that is built for wood that does have nails in it and other stuff. The awesome thing is that it's also built for cutting tree roots in the ground. These carbide teeth are made to withstand rocks and dirt, so plunge that sucker into the ground and hack up those roots. Okay, let's see what happens. This is the axe Sawzall blade that's built for wood with nails. Check out these teeth. This is matrix tube bimetal for greater durability. I don't know what that means, but it sounds really cool. Boom, right through the nails, dude. Okay, so this tip is tapered. That's for plunge cutting. Blade is 1 inch. That's to prevent twisting and bending, so you've got better control. Can I have this? Can I? Nobody's looking. I'll just take it. Let's take it. It's fine. Look at this thing of beauty I have created. Okay, so this is for the wrecker. This is your all-around tool. It's a jack of all trades. It cuts through wood, nails, screw, PVC. It just doesn't care. It's like the honey badger. The torch is built for metal. This is a medium metal torch. This blade is made to chew through angle iron, schedule 80 pipe.
Hey! Don't even think about it.
Okay, metal, what can I cut up? Oh, this will be good. Hey, can I, you know what? Nobody's paying attention. Better to ask for forgiveness than permission. This piece of metal that I'm cutting here is probably a little too thick for the medium metal torch that I'm using, but it shows you what this is capable of. It's got carbide teeth. It's designed for durability and long life in metal cutting. Hate to mess up a perfectly good backflow, but we did use this on set, so we can't resell it. All the blades you saw today are available on sprinklerwarehouse.com, and we have this cool kit that has axe, wrecker, and torch blades all available together, and a cool carrying case that goes with it. Check out sprinklerwarehouse.com to buy all the blades you need in order to wreck some stuff. Ah! That didn't start. Worst voiceover ever. Okay, cut.